Thank you. Mr. Kundan, so please unmute your mic, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Myself, Kundan, CEO and Group President of Fanidhar Mega Food Park. I will present you the food park concept at a glance and its benefits as well as role in the food industry. So I will start with the presentation.
You can start, sir.
Fanidhar Mega Food Park, this project is approved by Ministry of Food Processing. This is a central government ministry situated in Delhi. In 2017, the project was preliminary approved. We got a confirmed sanction in 2019 and we have completed the project in 2021. It is situated in the village Mudara near to Mehsana district in Gujarat state of India. The Fanidhar Mega Food Park, we have divided it in three phases. The first phase is in 52.68 acres. I will explain you the concept of food park first. The food park is a concept for the food entrepreneurs. In this 52.68 acres, we have allocated a certain area, which we called as a CP area, core processing area, which is dedicated to the a primary assistant to the food manufacturer. Suppose, for example, anyone has to start the food industry. It is divided into three parts. One is raw material for the food processing. Second one is the actual processing of the raw material. And third one is the finished goods. So all these three parts of the food industry, for example, it requires 10 crore of Indian rupees to build the factory, which include the raw material area, food processing area, and finished good area. Apart from this, another payment required for the other necessary infrastructure like road, lights, then effluent treatment plant. So in this food park, we have enabled the basic facility like raw material storage, finished goods storage, roads, electricity, and effluent treatment plant as a common facility. So here investor can invest only in the food processing unit and the rest part he can rent out from the food park, or he can gradually make that part after starting his business, after getting profit from his business and in due course of time. So in Fanidhar Mega Food Park, our common facilities are 1.2 metric ton per hour capacity potato flex unit. It is from Tamars. This is a company from Holland. In this, we dehydrate the potato. The potato collected from the farms bring at our facility, and we dehydrate the potato and transfer it into the form of potato flakes, which can be stored for the 2 years in the warehouse. Then we have a common boiler having 11 metric ton of capacity. This is installed by Forbes Marshall. This is another multinational, and this boiler is fully automatic. In majority of food industry, there is a requirement of steam to boil the food, to blanch the food, to process the food. So this requirement is catered by this boiler. Then in another infrastructure, we have 1 million liter capacity per day capacity of CETP, a centralized effluent treatment plant. As you know, in the food processing, there are some process like vegetable washing, fruit washing, and processing like cooking of the fruits and vegetable. It required a lot of amount of water, as well as it creates lot amount of effluent also. So to treat that effluent effectively, we have built a common facility of effluent treatment plant, which is having capacity of 1 MLD altogether. So any food processor who can process his food and the effluent, he can give us to food park. Then in warehousing segment, we have 10,000 metric ton of dry warehouse, fully palletized with material handling equipment. So it can give the fast phase operations. Apart from dry warehouse, we have 3,000 metric ton of frozen store, where temperature is around -20. As well as we have 2,000 metric ton of normal cold storage, where temperature is around 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. Apart from this, we have 5 numbers of MSME sheds. In these sheds, small budding entrepreneurs can purchase this place and start their small unit, like making some snacks, making some pickles, or some kind of beverages. They can start here. Uh, this all about the our core facility at food park. Apart from this, we have another facility which we called as PPC, primary processing center, which is there in Karjan village, near to another 100 kilometers from our food park. This is a primary processing center where we collect the vegetables and fruits from the farmer. We sort it and grade it at the initial level, and from there we send that material to the food park for the future process. As I explained, in the food park, we have in this 52.68 acre area, apart from our common area, we have made different plots to be sold to different food entrepreneurs. So altogether we have 39 plots. Out of that, all plots has been sold, and this plot has been sold to following members. The first company is Amrutwa Fine Foods. They are dealing in sesame seeds and whole, as well as sesame seed paste. They are making some kind of sesame seed sweets, as well as sesame seed oil. Our another member is AB Mori Food. This is a multinational company dealing in cumin seed and coriander seed, whole as well as powder. They are making sorting, grading, making powder, and as well as they are selling whole cumin seed and coriander seed, both. Then our another member is Hyphen Food. Uh, they are in manufacturing of frozen French fries and potato flakes. Then we have sold one plot to Jacqueline Foods. They are in frozen snacks like frozen momos, frozen tikkis, then frozen nuggets, as well as some kind, some types of appetizers like hash brown and aloo tikki. In our MSME, we have sold 3 MSME shares to Hiarush Foods Private Limited. They are in tender coconut and coated popcorn manufacturing. Then we have sold one plot to Frozen Kitchen Foods Private Limited. They are in frozen snacks like frozen parathas, frozen samosas, then retort ready to eat segments, and other product like freeze dried fruits and vegetable, as well as vacuum fried fruits and vegetables. Then another member is Red Bite Beverages. which is in manufacturing of fruit-based drinks as well as fruit concentrate. Apart from the members, we have following highlights of our food park. Like you all are know that the access road, very critical part in placing of any industry. For the Fanidhar Mega Food Park, we have three access road. One is the bigger one for container movement, and the another for small car and LMV movement. Apart from this, to ensure the continuous water supply for the members of food park, we have approval of pipeline from the Narmada water canal to food park. We have uh, installed around 15 kilometers of pipeline to ensure supply of raw water to our members. This is the whole uh, size of food park, which include the white color is the first phase, which is there. The orange color is the second phase of our food park, and the this one, the blank one, is the third phase. In the first phase, as I told you, we have already sold out the things. So in the second phase, we have another prime member uh, called as MERS. In second phase, we have sold around 6 plot to MERS, where they will build India's first frozen store, specially for the food park. This is the first time they have make some such kind of venture for the food industry, where they can store the frozen food product, and they will dispatch that food product from there itself to the more than 53 countries. So this is the another member of our food park. Their work will start in next month, and it will be completed in the 2025 March. So this is a small presentation about our food park. I will play one AV explaining our food park in detail also. Yeah.
So we are sharing some video.
Hello.
We are sharing some video, sir.
Yes, it is already sharing.
Stop sharing the screen, sir. Your presentation only is seen. Stop
Okay,
sharing
okay,
the
okay.
screen and then share it again.
Just a moment. No, it is visible.
Now it is visible. I think the audio will not be clear. As the video is playing, you can explain, sir, what it is.
Pardon?
No, the audio is not clear. As the video is playing, you can explain what it is.
Okay, 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 okay.
Can you just let us know what it is, sir?
Yes. Just a minute. It is a primary video.
Okay.
Like as I explained, this food park is located in the Gujarat. As I explained, to get the sufficient food supply or raw material supply from the farm, we have four numbers of primary processing center, as I explained, to cater the raw material requirement of the food park members. This is the whole, yes, this is the whole area of Fanidhar Mega Food Park. First phase, as I explained in the my presentation. This is the core processing area of our food park, which include the warehouse, potato flakes, frozen store, boiler, CTP, and other infrastructure. These are the other facilities. This is the MSME sheds. This is our French fries unit, aloo tikki manufacturing unit. As I explained, that we guarantee to supply gas as well as water. We have a drainage system. We have a power system as well as wide road network across the food park. This is our administration building, which is start for construction and which will be completed next year, which provide the our members office space. They don't require to build a separate administration block or separate office in their factory. They can rent out this space, as well as we have common conference, common R&D lab. So we have a common way bridge for inward as well as outward gate, common security, then product display center. We provide the logistic. As I explained, MERS is already a part of food park now. A common canteen, guest house, auditorium, medical facility, bank and ATM, and as well as proven fire safety norms. So this is the brief information about our food park. So with this information, I conclude my
Thank you very much, sir.
session. Yes,
Thank you very much, sir, for a wonderful
thank you very much.
presentation. Sir, I will take up the questions from the participants now.
Yes,
In the meantime, can you just on your video, sir?
just a moment.
Yeah. Slightly adjust it. Yes, this is fine, sir. I'll move on to the questions, sir. How does Mega Food Park support agricultural development and farmers' income enhancement?
Yes, see, like our mega food park is located in the potato cluster. So in 2021, when mega food park started and we installed the potato flakes unit, on that in 2021 we purchased potato at 11 rupees 50 paisa per kg from the farmer. After starting our unit, there are other players also came into the area because we have started the backward integration facility. We have started orientation program to the farmers. So there is a bumper crop of potato. So the other companies also came to our area and they purchased the potato from our area. And now in 2024, the rate for the potato in for the dehydration of potato in our area is around 17 rupees 50 paise. So this increment in the price of the potato, of the raw material, is a direct benefit to the farmer. Apart from this, farmer are now very much keen, very much aware about the new technology to get the maximum crop. Like before in 2021, their yield was around 11 metric ton per acre. Now they are taking yield of more than 16 metric ton per acre. So it is their direct income which is increased due to the food park and food park activity. So this I explain about the one product of the food park. But like Amrutva Fine Foods, they are dealing in sesame seed, so they are benefiting the sesame seed farmers. Like AB Mori, they are benefiting the cumin seed and coriander seed cultivating farmers. So this is the continuous process. Definitely, farmer will get the good rate if the food processor is there, and they will assure they are assured that there will be no wastage of the food product.
Okay. Can you elaborate on the logistical advantages of locating food processing units in a mega food park?
See, right now, like I explained already, this MERS shipping line, they are into the food park. Suppose a food processing unit is not in the food park and it is outside of the area. So first thing, the approach road for the container movement, because as you know, if there is a big factory, they cannot depend on the domestic market. They have to cater the export market, and export market required the wide road to movement of the containers, to avoid the handling of the product for many times. In our food park, if someone have their unit, they have to produce the product and directly hand over to the MERS in the container itself. From there only MERS will clear the all customs formalities and send the material to the respected countries. So it saves around 10% of the logistic cost as compared to the other food processor in the rest of the area. So this is the logistic advantage for the food park. Apart from this, there are so many components included in the logistic part. Like if you are making French fries, you require the plastic bag, you require the corrugated box for the packing of this thing. For the getting this packing material from the other area, it is costlier for the manufacturer. But if they are a food park member near very around 2 kilometers of our area, there is a factory of corrugated box and plastic film. So their logistic cost for the raw material and the packaging material also saved, as well as their logistic cost for the finished goods also saved.
Okay. What role do government policies play in promoting the establishment and operation of mega food parks?
See, right now this mega food park scheme is already winded up, and government has started the mini food park. But this scheme was previously subsidized by the government of central government, India government. This our total project cost is around 256 crore. Out of that, 50 crore we have got from the central ministry. This is the financial aid, and apart from this, the member of food park, they will get maximum subsidy or grant of 5 crore for the food processing if they have purchased the plot in mega food park. Apart from this, like each and every state government has different policies. Like in Gujarat, there is a policy of Atmanirbhar Gujarat, where they will get the GST refund of 4 crore in 3 financial year. So this is the financial assistance from the state as well as central government.
I'll take up the next question. How does a mega food park contribute to enhancing food safety and quality standards?
Yes, very good question, madam. Actually, like I explained, each and every core processing facility, I have mentioned the company name of the manufacturer. Like our potato flakes unit is installed by Tamars, which is Holland-based company, and they are one of the leader in the machinery, uh, potato processing machinery supplier. Apart from this, as you've seen in our video as well as our actual photographs of food park, we provide the good environment for the food processing things, because daily around 3,000 employees are coming to the food park. So we can maintain the hygiene standard at the entry level, as well as we can maintain the hygiene standard at the production level. Apart from this, we have regular seminars as well as orientation program to the employees and to the executives also. So we are very keen to provide the knowledge about the good food production, the GMP facilities, as all units in our food park are BRC certified, British Retail Council certified. And the other unit, like the exporter for US FDA, they are US FDA certified. So in quality parameter of the finished good as well as the quality parameter of the processing, there is no compromise in manufacturing facility. From machinery to the end product, there is no compromise on the good food quality as well as the process also. Apart from this, I have explained that we have built a separate primary processing center to sort and grade the raw material. Because if the raw material is sorted and graded carefully, then only a good quality product can be manufactured.
Okay. What challenges do mega food park face and how can they be addressed?
Yes, the major challenges is to collect the farmer, to teach them the new farming practices, to teach them the pesticide-free farming, to teach them the sorting grading things, to teach them the contract farming formalities. This is the major challenge. Apart from this, for the mega food park, the as all state government and central government bureaucrats and officials are very cooperative. So there is no challenge from the bureaucracy level, but there are challenge from the farming level, that to literate the farmers about the new policies of the farming, as well as to maintain the farm in the good conditions. These are the major challenge. That's why we have opened one farmer producer company also, where we have a dedicated team of four peoples. They are regularly meeting the farmers. They are regularly teach them how to produce the different variety of crop. We provide them the assistant free of cost for the medicines, as well as for the seeds and the other for fertilizers and the sorting and grading also.
Okay. Can you discuss the employment opportunities generated by mega food park and its impact on local economies?
Yes. See, as there are three kinds of employment which is generated by the mega food park. One is the top officials required, highly skilled people to run the high quality of machinery. The second one is the semi-skilled people, like people required for the packing, for the sorting, grading, and other things. And third one is the unskilled people. So right now we have employed more than 3,000 persons. Out of that, 1,500 are unskilled, 1,000 are semi-skilled, skilled and semi-skilled, and 500 are executive and other levels. Majorly 80% of the employment is generated from the outskirt of food park area, and definitely it is now empowering them with the finance as well as improving their lifestyle also. As we have seen in the city only, the husband and wife, they are working in the software company, or they are going for the job early morning and coming the late evening. Same in, if you visit our mega food park, same way, the husband and wife, they came to the food park. The wife work in the packing department, husband work in the sorting grading department. So definitely their income level has been increased, and slowly, in around next 10 years, their lifestyle also increase by mega food park, and it will create a deep impact, yeah, on their financial as well as their lifestyle level.
Sir, can you please tell us about yourself? What is your education and career background? What made you take an interest in this?
Yes. Uh, uh, about my educational background, my native place is in Nasik, in Maharashtra. I'm a science graduate. Then I have done my masters in marketing, MBA. Then I have done two courses from the Symbiosis College of Pune, in event as well as in the brand management. And in 1998, I have started job in NDDB, National Dairy Development Board, where I have to look after the vaccination program of the cows and buffaloes for the foot and mouth disease. That program was implemented at that time by NDDB. And in that company, I have worked for 3.5 years, where I have conducted more than 3,000 farmer meet to educate the farmers for the foot and mouth disease vaccine. Then I joined the Ranbaxy Laboratories, which is another pharmaceutical giant in the animal health. And there also I worked for 3.5 years. Then I shifted to the agriculture product processing area, where I have to look after the jaggery manufacturing unit in Maharashtra. And we successfully launched the product name as Madhuram Sugar Jaggery by Patanjali. That was the first product in India in powder form of jaggery, and launched by the Patanjali. And then we, we have started, as a Fanidhar group, we have started a food processing unit in Gujarat. And in 2017, we have started activity of Mega Food Park. Currently I am CEO and group president of the group. Apart from this food park, we have other businesses also, like Fanidhar Enterprises. They are looking into the castor seed farming, and the Fanidhar Agro, they are looking into the mushroom farming.
Okay, that's very nice to hear, sir. Thank you very much. We have now completed the round of questions. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, we like to thank Mr. Kundan Deoghare for the talk and for answering the questions. I like to also thank all the participants in the meeting. This meeting will not be closed.
Thank you. Thank you,
You're most
everyone.
welcome, sir.
Thank you, madam.